doctor, but it was always medicine for it, and that's something I didn't want to do. So eventually I sort of just learned to live with it.
So with Annabelle, when she came in to see us, she was having problems with chronic daily headaches, also with migraines, was often waking up with headaches in the morning. So what we were able to determine was that she was having problems with her bite balance. She was grinding at night. We proposed a typical treatment plan for her, and really within a period of about 6 or 8 weeks, we had her feeling much, much better, really to a point where she was able to get her life back. She wasn't waking up with headaches daily and was really happy with the treatment we provided for her.
Biggest change for me was the fact that I would wake up without a headache. I didn't know how that felt or how that looked like. I was more rested, so that was a big relief. And just knowing that you don't have a headache, it's a total different feeling from having a constant pain that is right there with you all the time to all of a sudden you're like, I'm good, like I don't feel anything. It's really cool.
So in Annabelle's case, we did some physical therapy treatments once a week for a period of 12 weeks to really help her retrain those injured muscle groups and help her feel much, much better by the end. So seeing these patients once a week, they really get to be like family. We get to know them really well, and it's our pleasure to really help them feel better.
Oh my God, the staff here, it's amazing. Like, I love them dearly, and obviously Dr. Harold, it's, great. He knows what he's doing, he knows his stuff, he adjusts your teeth and, does all the good stuff, and it makes you feel confident about having a professional that knows what he's doing and will do a good job for you.